How to download Shein application on your Android device. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download your Shein application on your Android. So first thing, simply head over to your Play Store and just click on search, and from over here what you can do is just search in for Shein application. And once you search in for Shein application, remember it's a shopping application from where you can shop your online products just like this. So just you make sure you have entered the correct application. You can confirm it as it has more than 500 million plus downloads. So once you're inside it, just click on install and wait for some time for it to be installed on your device. So once your application is downloaded, you can simply click on open to open it and run it as usual. So that's it for today guys. That's exactly how you can easily download your Shein application on your Android device. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.